Good day everyone. So for today's video, we'll be making some image enhancement in Photoshop using hue and saturation. So over here, I have a sample, just a Kia car, which is before it is originally color red. Then I changed the color to black and I input some details, just like that. Okay. So to do that, course, I'll be clicking the file and I'll be creating a new project. Over here, I'll be using the Photoshop size, create. Then I'm going to look for a model for the internet. Give me this one. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy the image, then paste it on our canvas. Okay, then resize the image 130. Resize. It is a little bit distorted, but when you click enter, as you can see here, fair enough. Then first you have to click the layer 1, which is the car, and I'll be renaming this one model. Then over here is adjustment. I will be clicking hue and saturation. Then this one. This is to specify which part of the image would you want to change the color. So click the red, which is the cover of the car. Then change maybe this one. Maybe a little bit light blue. Yeah, or yellow, I think. And as you can see, hue command change the color of the car. This one. Okay. Then close. Then I'll be adding another layer or hue saturation layer for the effects or details. Like this one. Again, adjustment layer, but first you have to click the model layer, which is the car. Then another hue and saturation. Okay, so you have to choose what color the effects and click this again and click the car. Then change the color. Maybe red. Yeah. Then I'll be changing the saturation, which is how would the red color would you like to be, like so light or heavy. Okay, so a little bit darker here. Maybe that like this one. Then the lightness will be black or it will be light. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the middle now. Change the value to 0. Okay. Then by selecting this layer, which is the second effect, hue and saturation, I can add the details using pen tool. So over here, I can use pen tool. I just want this part to be the color red. Okay, so select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Then click the mask. As you can see over here, the upper part is the first hue, saturation, color. Then the lower part is the effect, which is the second hue and saturation color. Okay, so enter. As you can see, modified na siya. So let's check if some tools will be effective dun sa hue and saturation. So I'll be deleting this second one. Then again, selecting the car. I'll be using the hue and saturation again. Then click the car color, modify, maybe like blue. Yeah, this one. Then I'll be using the shape, maybe the shape. So over here, I'll be using ellipse tool. Then change here, instead of shape, it should be path. Okay, path. Then click here the vector mask. Then select the car, like this one. As you can see, it changed some part of the car within shape. So maybe like this one, this one, this one. So I have a polka dots effect into the supercar of Toyota. Okay. Let's add a little more. Okay, so we have the car, which is modified. We change the color and we add some details. Okay, so if we hide this one, originally it's a red Toyota, but with hue and saturation effect, we change the color and we add details. Okay, so just click enter para mawala yung lines sa gilid. And we have it here. So I may be changing the brightness and contrast for our model will be highlighted. So brightness, maybe a little bit like this one, a little bit light, and the contrast, maybe like this one. There. Okay. So for your activity, you don't have to change the brightness and contrast, but it's up to you if you want to make your activity more at least enhanced. You can use brightness and contrast, and even levels and curves. Okay, so over here we have the labels, a little bit darker. As you can see there, change, or you can change it manually. Okay, same thing with the curve. Okay, so you can change it here. Okay, so I think that's it.